Alrighty, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick LinkedIn tip, I'm going to show you how to change your privacy settings so the whole world doesn't get notified every time you update your profile, whether that's a new job, a promotion, or something like completing a degree. Let's get into it. First, go to the top of your LinkedIn page and click on Me. You'll see your profile picture there. From the drop-down, click on Settings and Privacy. Next, go to the Visibility section on the left-hand side. Now scroll down to the part that says Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. This is the section where you can control what your network sees when you make changes. The setting you're looking for is called Share Profile Updates with your network. If you don't want your connections to get notified every time you get a new job or make an update, switch this setting to No. That's it. Super simple. This keeps your profile updates private unless you choose to share them. There are also other visibility options on this page, so I encourage you to explore and adjust anything else you'd like to keep private. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks so much for tuning in, and as always, don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips just like this. See you in the next one.